Yes. It's not displaying. Dang it. No. Go down. Alright. Boo, 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 baby, boo, 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 do, do, do. Still not. Remove. Yes. Application audio capture. Remove. Yes. Hold on. Control F. No. Ah, who cares? Yeah, right. Display capture. Video capture. Display capture. No, not display capture. Game capture. Alright, choose any specific window. I want lockpick. Yes, please. Yes. Alright. No! No. To erase data. I want to release data. Dota. Erase. No. Erase. Yes. Alright, start again. Alright. Hello. Today I'd like to tell you a story about someone's journey to someplace special. That someone is this pleasant girl named Lily, who is currently waving at you. Say hi. Bye. Recently, she's been wanting to get out of the house for a little bit and do something fun. And on this day, that something has made itself known. Today, she received an invitation from the Ambassador Society, which organizes events to unite normal people with the many gods for which inhabited the world. A local god by the name of Kina apparently just opened up an enrichment program of sorts, and Lily, who has recently signed up for the Ambassador Society's waitlist and who lives nearby, was chosen to try it out. So she waves goodbye to her wonderful housemate Marilyn and sets off to see what this is all about. Bye bye. Love ya. I think I see up ahead. Looks like the map they gave me was indeed functional. Let's jump at least this high to enter. Let's jump not this high to enter. This is a fun looking building. I like the stars. This is nothing like the demo. What is this? Okay, hi. Hi, I'm here for, oh, whoops, was dilating time for a second there. I am here now, hello? Oh, hello. So welcome and stuff. My name is Kina, although the title is the God of Keys and Doors. I'll be your guide for the next insert ambiguously long time period here. Nice to meet you. I'm Lily. You from around here? Yeah, it was only about a 30-minute walk. It was nice to see the trees. I can vibe with the nature appreciator. So, do you know what we are going to be doing here? I don't know. The ambassador said something about an enrichment program. But that's about it. Alright, so here's the long and short of it. Are you familiar with the notion of using keys to unlock doors? Yeah? Okay, good. That's the hard part covered then. Today you'll be solving puzzles based around that concept. I feel like I should have seen that coming. This whole engagement will basically be split into different worlds which you will travel between. When you solve enough puzzles in one world, you will get a special stone key to open up the next. Oh, so it's like a video game. Actually, that was probably the harder part to explain, but seems like you got that covered, so we're all good now. Seems pretty reasonable to me. So how long will it take? That is a hard question to answer for more reasons than may seem initially obvious. I don't know, a baseline estimate is probably a few days. Solve every puzzle. To solve enough to reach an ending of sorts. Sounds like this is gonna be quite a thing. It is certainly abundant in thingness. Anyways, a special room has been prepared for you to eat, sleep, and relax while you spend time here. Oh well, that's good. Obviously, I would appreciate the outcome where you do reach the end, but if you need to go for emergency reasons or because you stop feeling it, then you can just do that. Good to know. Well, I think everything is fine on my end. I'm ready to start. Okay, cool. I'll initiate the warp sequence now. That is from that game as you warp into Kina's domain. You're created by the sight of a strange force. It seems that all sorts of strange sights and perhaps magical shenanigans may be in store for you. You're unsure just how much time you will be spending here, but it doesn't seem like you'll be in any rush to finish it. Let's see what's going on here. How do I jump? Oh yeah, space. What am I doing here? Okay, I don't need mouse, sorry. What am I doing here? Well, you came down here for the whole enrichment program thing, right? Yes, the ambassador told me all about it. Well, you're here for a whole lot of enriching. And what substantiates that enriching? A whole honkin' lot of puzzles. Right, okay, I can probably handle puzzles. Just take the staircase-shaped teleporter and get cracking. Solve puzzles and get stone keys for your efforts. Then open up a stone door and solve even more. Sounds like I'll be here a while then. Haha, you bet. Oh, I want to cancel. Thank you. Guest room! Fridge. Let's see what all this fridge has. Well now, this thing is just full of curiosities. Oh, there are some beautiful star-shaped cookies in here. And a bunch of canned tea. I haven't even heard of half of these flavors. Guess I know what my picks are. I wonder what's in the freezer. This is the strangest gadget I ever seen in my life. Wait, so dispensing something. Oh, it's an ice maker, and they come with ice already inside. Oh well, hello there, ice cream cones. Didn't see you there. I think I am warming up to this fridge. Oh, that's cool. Cute. Oh, cool. This is such a stylish bed. It will be great to snooze under such an inviting blanket. Little Z's could comically rise for me in my slumber. And then every time I wake up, I'll be greeted to that super cool consolation thing. I could probably even take my shoes off and dive into the blankets and just sit there for a while if I wanted to. Honestly, everything about this bedroom leads itself to an immaculate nap time. It's incredible just how much a bed invites me to imagination without me currently using it in any capacity. This is a beautiful tree. I can almost imagine sleeping under it, although it probably wouldn't be that comfortable. I could certainly sleep on the grass and then an apple would fall on my head. Wait, never mind, this tree doesn't have apples. Best it could do is probably just a bunch of leaves. I'm pretty sure I could handle the cosmic hand of fate pelting me with a bunch of leaves. I am bearing witness to a wonderful mountain of beanbags. It's the perfect size to dive into and forget about the finer points of everyday life. I'll definitely be doing my reading here. Guess I'll check out some books. Yep, I sure am looking at a bunch of book covers. Guess I should actually check one out. Please don't tell me. What's this called? Man, I know the Godless Volume 1 looks pretty thick. How about the back cover? In a universe where humans have to fend for themselves. That's a fun concept. Fiction is full of wonderful things. Was it like Dr. Stone? This one's looking for a candidate for future beanbag buddy. I spy a textbook on the shelf. Modular arithmetic, the language of clocks. This cover is classic pet book fare to an infinite void of clocks, all with different amounts of hours on them. I mean, I wouldn't want to spend too much of my time here just reading a textbook, so this is probably a no-go. I'm tempted to though. Tempted. Alright, skip that. Oh, this is a nice cover. Wonders of the Heavenly Garden. It's a plant catalog. Well, I forgot just how colorful plants can be. Wait, I recognize that tree. Oh, and there's a sticky note too. Definitely this one. Keena's got a good eye for plants. Wait, does a tree count as a plant? Yes. No? Yeah, it does. That's just not a houseplant. Although, does it count as a houseplant if you grow it in a greenhouse? I'm going to choose to believe it does, even if it's annoying. Any good books on the shelf? Oh, I spy a really, really thin one. Like really thin. Wait, it doesn't even have pages. Writing flavor text over dummies. Alright, I'll buy what's inside. A mirror? I don't know who put this here, but the joke is lost on me. Alright, that's everything in here, I think. Should be. No, I'm not gonna ask. Oh, there's things here. Okay, cool. Door Haven. Yeah! Ocular Nebula. Welcome to the world of doors. Before you are free from as well as some keys. Picking up a key allows you to open one door with the matching color. Your goal in every puzzle is to reach the green goal point. Let's start with an easy one. Good luck. Two of a kind. If you ever find yourself in an unsolvable position in a puzzle, press Z to rewind your actions, or R to completely restart. You can also press B space to leave a level and come back to it later. With that said, here's a puzzle you can conceivably fail. It's possible. Color search. You'll encounter all sorts of different key and door types as you go along. For now, though, let's build some experience. Sometimes working backwards from the end goal is a good way to get an idea of what to do. One major principle in these puzzles is comparing the number of keys with the number of doors. For example, here are 8 doors, but only 7 keys. Oh no, I hope this one's solvable. Come on, up. Go down. Dang it. Can't run. At least I don't know how. Yeah. Now I know this looks like a sudden jump in complexity. It is of sort, however. There are things that you can make that will open a door at no net expense. Identifying moves like that will be useful for later puzzles. So now I have a white key. This one. Still have a black key. I wonder if there are achievements. Come on. Wait, that's what mine is. There's type a note. Type a note. Yeah. Save. How do I? Erase. No. Cancel. Text. No. Shapes. No. I want a pencil. No, not a line. Alright, save. Oh, there it is! I'm so excited about this. Finally! The Watson was like, hey, here's a pencil. And I was like, yes! Yes! Oh my, there are 3 paths to the goal. It's like 3 times as many as you could mess up. So which way is the correct one? Oh, yeah. Oh, dang it. Okay, restart. Get rid of my keys first. And do the first one. I'll do this one. Come on, can I hold? No. How did I mess that up? Alright, so there's only... Okay, here we go. Here we go. Door. We can't spend any purple keys because if I do, then I will lose. Blue. More than 3 choices. Uh-oh. It seems that just like before, there are several different paths you could take here. Sure, just about anyone could navigate a jumble like this, but you might set yourself up for a rude awakening later down in life. You rely solely on your instincts. Light pink. Oh. Oh, it's talking about how there's not that many pink keys. And I can't waste any of them. No! My blue. No. Here. I don't know how to run. Let's go do that. Now I have an orange key with nowhere to use it. I have a purple. Here's the purple. And there's where I'm supposed to be using the blue. Oh, okay. I won't be using notes, I'll just be... I mean, I could. Or I might use them. Yeah, I'll have a check of a papa. Why is there no... Takes forever to go anywhere. I'm not having an aneurysm. Shut up. I saw a Chinese play the other day. It was fun. Like, I enjoyed the dancings. They're awesome. And I do not know how to jump. In real life, too. Okay, ground lattice. Greater than 1. Yes, I know. Alright, thank you for the things. There we go. Count the logs. It's time to play everyone's favorite game. Count the logs. We're gonna go down there. And they're here. Yeah. Good enough. Marketplace. Is a good puzzle to send you off after your stay in door heaven. The goal is simple: bring 6 white keys to the door. How you manage to do that is for you to figure out. Good luck. Well, I obviously want to get rid of... So I can't take 2 keys because there are 8 keys, and of course it won't allow me to take 7 keys, unless if it would. That's 4. 4. Orange. Okay. 4 orange. Nah, I just guess. No, I'll just say it out loud. There are 4 green keys and 1, 2, 3 options which do not use green keys, and there are a lot of green doors. So I feel that I can't grab these 2 keys. Well, I mean, I could grab them, but I can't grab them both, because if I do, then this one will not have to be. And maybe even that one. Sure, let's try it. Oh, never mind, I can't. I'm gonna just see if I remember it. So right now I have 3 keys. Now I have 1 green key. In order to grab more than 1 key that requires a blue key, I'm gonna need to do this. So that's gonna be always save. Always, sorry. Good enough. Yeah, good enough. No, cancel. Alright. And I'm gonna need to grab one of the keys. I feel like I can grab this with no consequences. And this with lots of consequences. Alright, so this one's gonna be never. Let's move them closer. And just move that there, so just don't go up there. Oh, what am I doing? Using a white key? I can't. I'm not supposed to be using white keys. Alright. Never. Bro! What have I been doing? Alright, so here I got 4 keys. And oh, I guess I can do this. And I can do the other way too. Alright, that's good. Good enough. Marketplace. I'm very hungry right now. Oh, yeah, I never ate breakfast. Oh, I hate this vlog. Oh no. Alright, so this one's obviously going to be doing that. 256 combinations. How many keys do I have? I have 1 orange key. So that requires me to get this and do this. How many purple keys do I have? How many green keys do I have though? I can only do 1 pink key. So the top 2, I can do this one or this one. I can do these 2, I can do the outer 2. Imagine if I use a green here and grab these 2, then I can grab these 2, then this one. Let's try it. Green, green. Nice. So flower and then pentacolor pattern. Oh dear, looking at all these keys and doors arranged in this cool pattern is making me a bit dizzy. But hey, at least most of the doors have matching keys in front of them, so you certainly have an easy time opening them. Whether that solves the puzzle or not, I'm less sure of it. I'm less sure. Yeah. So I need 2 purple keys. I need 2 pink keys. Green doesn't matter. I just need pink. Here we go. Let me grab that. I really wish I could run. Got orange. I need to get blue. So I've already failed. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so there are 3 pink keys. There are basically 3 of every key, so if I were to open if I were to open this, I'd get a purple key, and if I were to let's imagine I grab this purple key and this purple key. I can move to here, Now imagine if I grabbed this pink key and this pink key, I can move to here. Now imagine if I were to grab this blue, yeah. Purple and purple opens purple. Pink. Oh yeah. And white makes pink. And grab an orange. Grab this. Oh no, yeah. I can grab a blue. I can grab the blue. Grab the orange. And grab the other orange. And leave. Man, this was a cool puzzle. Nice. Main hub, clear 3 out. 13. What? Stone key! I got myself that first stone key. Nicely done. Icely. The idea seems pretty basic. Just keys and doors is fine by me. Yeah, it's gonna get a bit more complicated from here on out. One could say it could get a bit more complex. I'll show myself out. Makes sense. Also, I don't mean to assume, but is it keys and doors because you're a god of keys and doors? Maybe. That's not really an answer. Well, shut up, child. That's the answer you're gonna get. Now leave. Tell me a joke. This game can teach you how to unlock any door. All you need is a matching key to unlock it. You know, like how doors normally work. Press Alt F4 to make something very funny happen. Alright. Alright. Was that... Oh, was that never even recording? Let's hope it was recording, because if not, I'm gonna be very sad. And if not... And if it wasn't recording, I'll just replay it. I'll just replay it. Why not? It's a fun game. I'll keep playing this for until the end of time, or until something like that happens. Also, demo is full release is out. Good luck.